Today we're going to be taking a look at the HAVA R01 Compact Dishwasher, a good option for college students in a dorm room, apartments without full dishwashers, and RV campers. With a built-in 1.3-gallon water tank that you can fill without needing to hook it up to water, and enough space for dishes for 4 people, the R01 is a great choice for those looking for a portable dishwasher. HAVA sent us an R01 so we could put it to the test, and we thought it'd be perfect to try out on our friend Ian's newly renovated school bus converted RV camper. Alright, let's get right into it. The HAVA R01 retails for $400 directly on their website, and right now they have a sale so you can save $50 off. So we'll put a link along with a coupon code in the description of this video. It comes neatly packaged in a medium-sized box, and it comes with a dishwasher, all the washer baskets, an inlet and drain hose, a pitcher, and a manual. And aside from putting the baskets in the washer, there's no assembly required. For design and functionality, the R01 weighs 29 pounds and is about 1.5 feet in length and width, and 1.5 feet in height. So it can fit in some pretty tight spaces, and it's also not an eyesore. However, make sure you measure your counters, because it might not fit under all cabinets. On the top, you can select between 5 different wash cycles with a simple touch control system. You have the option between a normal wash, speed, soft, baby care and heavy, or fruit, which runs a quick cold water cycle to rinse off your fruits. There's even a dry mode that you can select to have on or off, which uses hot air and a ventilation fan for up to 60 minutes at the end of the cycle. To run a cycle, you can either fill in the built-in 5-liter water tank, or if you have access to a sink, you can use the included inlet hose to connect to the faucet. But the built-in water tank is super convenient, especially if you're in a camper van with no running water, or a college dorm room with no sink nearby. It'll also automatically detect if there's not enough water in the tank before starting. It takes cold water and heats it up automatically during the wash. For the detergent, it takes all dishwasher detergents, including pods, tablets, liquid, and powder. You just add detergent to the dispenser just like any other washer. The wash has a 360-degree rinsing with dual spray arms that hit your dirty dishes from all directions. And there's a cool blue LED light if you're into it. Loading the dishwasher, there's enough space for 4 small plates, 4 big plates, 4 bowls, 4 mugs or small glasses, and 7 forks, knives, and spoons in the silverware bin, depending on the size of your dishes. So there is plenty of room for a meal with a small group of people, or a couple meals for solo or couple travelers. For noise, it's not super loud and sounds about the same as a regular dishwasher. You can hear the water splashing around. Halfway through the cycle, the washer starts to drain through the drain hose before finishing the rinse cycle, and then drains again at the end. So you'll want to make sure you set up the drain hose before you start your cycle, either in a bucket or sink. Testing a full cycle, we were happy with the results. It cleaned all our dishes well, and everything came out nice and sparkly. We also tested the dishwasher in our friend's school bus conversion RV camper to see how it would fit and how much power it would consume. For wattage, it uses 950 watts on a standard outlet and is rated to use less than 1 kilowatt of electricity for an hour. We noticed on the battery monitor that it was in fact drawing 950 watts and about 83 amps in the beginning cycle when it was heating up the water. So if you do plan on using the HAVA in an RV or camper with an off-grid setup, it will drain your batteries very quick. You'll want to use it when you're connected to power at your campground. Looking at the quality and warranties, overall the build quality looks and feels good. HAVA also includes a 1-year warranty. Overall, we think the HAVA R01 is a great option for dorm rooms, condos, RVs, and campers. And we also like that it's more environmentally friendly than a full-size dishwasher that uses 4 to 5 gallons per wash. This one only uses 1.3 gallons. Alright, that's it for now. Next, be sure to watch our other reviews of tech and gadgets. And be sure to let us know what you want to see next in the comments below.